Introducing the HITWAY BK29M, an e-bike that redefines power, endurance, and comfort for every ride. Whether you're commuting through the city or exploring rugged terrain, the BK29M is built to conquer it all. With a 48V 15Ah extra-large battery, the HITWAY BK29M is engineered for long-lasting performance. Equipped with an energy recovery system, a single 6 to 7 hour charge gives you a range of over 50 kilometers. The removable battery, secured with a key, offers convenience and peace of mind, allowing you to charge anytime, anywhere. Ride with confidence on 20 by 4.0-inch tires designed to tackle any road condition. From city streets to snowy paths, these non-slip, puncture-resistant tires provide superior shock absorption, ensuring a smooth and comfortable journey no matter where you go. Experience strong performance with the BK29M's powerful brushless motor. Reaching speeds up to 25 km per hour, this e-bike effortlessly handles gradients up to 25 degrees, letting you push the limits of your adventure on mountain trails or forest paths. Customize your ride with 3 driving modes and a 7-speed gearbox, offering fast, easy, and reliable speed adjustments. The intelligent LCD display keeps you informed with real-time data on speed, distance, and battery life, making every ride smarter and more enjoyable. Safety and comfort are at the forefront with the HITWAY BK29M. The hydraulic front fork and central shock absorber system provide superior handling over bumps, while the high-quality memory foam saddle ensures maximum comfort. Equipped with front and rear disc brakes, you can rely on precise stopping power, and the bright LED front light ensures safe night riding. The HITWAY BK29M, your reliable companion for every journey. Embrace the freedom, experience the power, and enjoy the ride. Discover the HITWAY BK29M today. Power, comfort, and adventure await you.